Imagine if all Earth's ice melted instantly. Right now, Earth looks calm. But hidden inside this calm is enough ice to drown the world. What if every glacier, every ice sheet, melted instantly? No centuries, no warnings, just gone. In minutes, sea levels would rise higher than skyscrapers. Your city might already be underwater. Civilizations built over thousands of years, erased. Billions would have nowhere to go. And that wouldn't even be the worst part. Because melting all the ice doesn't just flood the planet, it breaks Earth itself. So what would really happen if all the ice on Earth melted at once? Adjust your seat and let's imagine. Imagine a world where ice no longer exists. No glaciers, no polar caps. No frozen mountains. Every frozen drop of water instantly released. What if all the ice on Earth melted at once? The consequences would be immediate. The Arctic Ocean would become completely ice-free. Entire ecosystems would collapse in seconds. Antarctica alone holds enough ice to reshape the planet. Sea levels would rise by over 70 meters. That's higher than a 20-story building. New York would vanish beneath the waves. London would disappear completely. So would Shanghai and Mumbai. Tokyo, gone. Miami would be erased. Entire countries would vanish. Bangladesh would be almost entirely underwater. The Netherlands would be unrecognizable. Florida would shrink into a few islands. Rivers would expand into massive inland seas. The Amazon basin would flood. Even deserts would change. But water isn't the only problem. Removing ice shifts the planet's weight. Earth's rotation would slow. Days would become longer. The axis of rotation would change. Climate patterns would be rewritten. Jet streams would destabilize. Storms would grow larger and stronger. Mega hurricanes would become common. Surviving coastal cities would be constantly battered. Without ice, Earth absorbs more heat. The planet would heat up faster than ever before. Coral reefs would die. Marine food chains would collapse. Fish populations would crash. Global food supplies would be disrupted. Agriculture would struggle to survive. Heat waves would become deadly. Wildfires would rage unchecked. Freshwater systems would fail. Many rivers depend on ice to exist. Billions would be forced to move. the largest migration in human history. Borders would collapse under pressure. Conflict would be inevitable. Civilization would retreat inland. A new map of Earth would emerge. Mountains would become islands. The Himalayas would tower over shallow seas. The Andes would form a new archipelago. Australia would lose much of its coastline. Africa's interior would transform. Europe would fracture into smaller landmasses. North America would split. South America would flood deeply. From space, Earth would look unfamiliar, a water world. Remnants of our past, beneath the waves. Nature would reclaim what we lost. New ecosystems would emerge. Humanity would adapt or perish. Survivors would build anew. But the world would never be the same. All because the ice disappeared. Imagine if all the ice on Earth melted at once. This is Imagine If. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.